Question number 71. Which sea is located in Central Asia? A. Red Sea, B. North Sea, C. Aral Sea, D. Japan Sea. And the correct answer is C. Aral Sea. Question number 72. Which country is below the sea level? A. Netherlands, B. Iceland, C. Belgium, D. Germany. And the correct answer is A. Netherlands. Question number 73. Dash is ranked 6th in the world in terms of amounts of mineral resources. A. Tajikistan, B. Kyrgyzstan, C. Kazakhstan, D. Azerbaijan. And the correct answer is C. Kazakhstan. Question number 74. The strength of wave action depends on all these except A. Intensity of wind, B. Depth of seawater, C. Strength of wind, D. Currents in the sea. And the correct answer is D. Currents in the sea. Question number 75. Which of these is not a metamorphic rock? A. State, B. quartzite, C. Schist, D. Shell. And the correct answer is D. Shell. Question number 76. Bore is caused by A. Rising tide with meeting river currents, B. Unequal heating of oceans, C. Spring tide and strong winds, D. Friction from prevailing winds. And the correct answer is A. Rising tide with meeting rivers. Question number 77. Which of these is process of transportation in a river? A. Solution, B. corrosion, C. attrition, D. deposition. And the correct answer is C. attrition. Question number 78. A canyon is a large form of A. bedland, C. pediment, C. gorge, D. plucking. And the correct answer is C. gorge. Question number 79. What kind of weathering takes place in the valley side above the surface of glacier? A. frost shattering, B. hailing, C. drizzling, D. chemical weathering. And the correct answer is A. frost shattering. Question number 80. Which rains in the equatorial region are the result of influences? A. sea breeze, B. land breeze, C. monsoon, D. convectional, D. convectional. And the correct answer is D. convectional. Subscribe Reti Educational Academy YouTube channel and follow us on TikTok and Facebook. Thank you.